going to be putting these Crosstrek door sills in here. They fit in the door jambs to help from wear and tear. Add a little bling. They're $70 to $80 and they're a very thick vinyl sticker. I got them in the mail and they come with these really templates for that you have to cut and stick somewhere and put them in the right place so you get your door sills in the right place. I don't need that. I'm basically going to eyeball it by centering it on the edge here and going for the bolt over here, and I'm just going to stick them on. I'll eyeball the back one too. The first thing you're supposed to do is clean the area, which I did with soap and water, and then use one of these sterile pads to clean the area before gluing it or sticking it on, you know, just in case you don't want to get an infection or anything, so use a sterile pad. So I'm going to do all 4 of those doors and then I will put them on. I cleaned all 4 door jambs and I'm going back to the first one and doing it in the same order, and that's all I need. I could see that. I don't need a template to tell me where to put it. Just want to be careful to put it right where I want it, and that's visually very good. Oh, right from the nut. Peel that off. Whew. Don't drop it in the dirt. Not too complicated. They give you a little piece of plastic to help put it down. I prefer just rubbing it on the top with a towel. This one here, I'm just kind of centering to that line so they're both the same on each side. Put it down. The O is centered at the bolt, but on the other side of the car, because it's going this way, it'll be the end of the R that I'm centering it on. So right at the end of the R, I line it up with that bolt on the seat, and that should be even. Right here, bolt, the R. Kind of press it down there. It's like a good surface contact. It's kind of cold today. There it is. A ridiculously simple project. Does it increase the value of my Crosstrek? Not too sure. Does it increase it by $70? Pretty sure not. But there it is. My name's James. I love my Subaru.